Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the Aiwa retro wireless karaoke speaker with 2 microphones. So I got this from Walmart. I'm going to put the price on the screen. And it claims to operate for 12 hours on a single charge. And then you can, play some music from your phone, and you and your friend can sing along. So presumably you're going to be using a audio without lyrics, without somebody singing, so you're going to be the singer. And that said, even though it looks like a radio, there's no radio. This is just the volume as far as I can tell. We're going to find out. And there's some voice effects, and you can sing anywhere. That's normal. 12 hours, I don't know if that's accurate. So let's open it up. So right away when I pulled that out, one of the pegs came off. So that's really, really bad. So now it doesn't stand. Oh, here's the other peg. You're gonna have to get some super glue and put it back on. There we go. Okay, so let's power it on.
Powering on. Pairing.
So it's pairing, so let's go right here to the phone. And let's go to settings and Bluetooth, wherever that may be. Pair new device. And here we go. This is the Aiwa AI6028.
Connected.
So we are connected. So I'm kind of impressed by the sound. It's not thin. Usually this little tiny speakers are thin. But let's go to our music file. Hey, it's fairly decent. And this is the volume. Even though it looks like the radio, it's actually just the volume. So let's turn on one of the microphones. Let me pause that. I think this microphone is discharged. So let's try the other one. This one's working. Can you hear me? Wow. So you can hear the echo. That's very interesting. I really like this. I knew I was gonna kind of like it, but I'm liking it more than I thought it would. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So anyway, let's try to play music and sing along. Hello. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. La 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 la. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so kind of cool. I wish I could get rid of the echo, and I can't get rid of that echo. Let me pause the music. Let me turn off the microphone. So that's my only issue with it. You can't get rid of the echo. And but the sound is amazing, and it has this subwoofer. I'm gonna call it a subwoofer. And back here you can plug in a memory card. So let's go get a memory card and see if it actually works. I'm sure it does, but you know, just for this video. Okay, so here's our memory card. So let's see how this works. This is just a regular standard SD card that you can get from Amazon or Walmart.
Herring. Connected.
Sorry about that. I don't know what that was. Okay, so that is the memory card. I'm going to talk over it so I don't get a copyright strike. But let me see if I can increase the volume. I really like, let me pause. I really do like the analog volume control. Most of the other, these days, if you get a Bluetooth speaker and you want to control the volume, you got to go click, 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 just to control the volume. But this one has this very nice analog volume control. And I think it's backlit. I'm gonna have to turn off the lights just to take a look at it. But anyway, let's see. Okay, let's keep going. So let me pause. Okay, so like I said, I don't want to get a copyright strike, but I'm very, very impressed with the quality of the sound. I'm not surprised that it's a good quality because there's a subwoofer back here. I wasn't expecting it when I bought it. I thought it was more of a toy than something that I can actually recommend for as a Bluetooth speaker. But the biggest surprise that I'm having with this, because I'm not really going to be singing. Don't expect that from me. I'm not a singer. What I'm really surprised with it is this volume control, analog volume control. I'm really, really liking it. Okay, so it is, like you see right here, it is backlit. So let's zoom in. And it does look very nice. Let me turn off that light, my logo light. So yeah, once you turn off the logo light, all you can see is the knob right here, the volume control knob. Okay, so definitely I am happy with this. This is one of the best purchases and the best items I've reviewed on my channel. I got it from Walmart. Like I said, I'll put the price that I paid on the screen. I can't remember, but it was not over $20. So I'm definitely going to recommend this 100%, 1000%. If you want to just have a Bluetooth speaker, this is so small. Like, I mean, I can't show you the size, but it's so small. And given the quality of audio, the subwoofer, it's actually better than my other. Because if you look at this speaker right here, this is a standard speaker. They're about the same size, but this one doesn't have that subwoofer thing, and this one does. So the quality is amazing. Unlike this one you can actually put in a memory there. This one you cannot. This one you have to connect it to a phone. So this one works independently from a phone if you don't have a phone. Or you want to power down your phone for whatever reason. So you don't rely on a phone, so that's pretty cool. And on this one, if you want to lower the volume or increase the volume, you got to go click, 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 click on the right here. Click, 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 click. But this one has that knob. So that's pretty cool. This one has this handle. I guess you could put it on the wall somehow. Let me do that test. So here's see if you can put it on the wall. And the answer is yes, you can put it on the wall. So this is the first speaker that I own that you can actually put it on the wall. Not that you'd want to do that, but if you do want to do it, well, here we go. Okay, so I guess the two only bad things about this speaker over a speaker like this one is that this one's waterproof, 100% waterproof, so you can submerge it up to, I believe, 1 meter. This one's definitely not waterproof because you got everything exposed like that, so don't put this in water. And the other issue that I have is the microphone. You can't get rid of the effects. Like the best effect that you have is the one with the echo. And the other ones are ridiculous. You're not going to be singing with those. You might be pranking with those, but not singing with them. So those are the two issues that I have. But other than that, it's fantastic. I recommend it 100%. 5 stars out of 5. I would say 6 stars out of 5. It's amazing. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.